Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be posting my final fall decor before I put my Christmas stuff up. So I just wanted to show you guys a video of my formal living room, formal dining room. I didn't do much. I just set some of the soft pumpkins out from Hobby Lobby on my dining room table and my coffee table, and also of course in my family room as well. So I'll be showing you guys that because I made a few tweaks in there. But I just wanted to hop on, let you guys see my face. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for all the beautiful, wonderful comments. And I'm gonna have a announcement on the next video, you guys. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. Okay, and you know it's gonna be something nice, honey, because I'm almost up to 500 subscribers, and I'm excited about it, y'all. So with that being said, I apologize for posting late videos or not getting videos up enough, but it's only one of me. I'm running a store now, so it's Christmas time and I have trees and things that I'm doing, and I'm sorry I don't turn that camera on like I should. But once I get busy, once I get working, I'm just working, you guys. But I appreciate each and every one of you. I speak blessings upon you. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Blessings.